Hey, Mercedes is full of little tips and tricks in their vehicles. They don't document a lot of them. And as a result, I'm going to show you how to open, how to close your windows in an emergency situation.
Be sure to subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. Once you've subscribed, be sure to click on that bell so that you get notified every single time I release a video.
Let's say you're driving down the road. It's a beautiful, warm day. And as a result, you say to yourself, you know what? I'm going to turn down my windows. You adjust your windows to how you want them to be, even the ones in the back. I'm going to open the sunroof too. So you open up your sunroof and you're driving. You're headed down the road and all of a sudden something happens. You run across a skunk, you run across some horrible outdoor smell, or you may even get into a downpour. You could try and turn all your windows back up, or you could do this neat little trick. You hold the recircle air button down and it closes everything. Windows, sunroof, everything closes. You continue down the road and there's no longer a smell, and you want your windows to go back to where they were. You just hold back down that button and everything will go back to exactly where they were. Your air has to be on. Just hold it down and everything will close. That's a neat little recirculation button trick to get all your windows, your sunroof, everything to close immediately. Your air is on already. You hold on that recirculation button for less than 5 seconds. Hold that down. All your windows will close. Your sunroof, if it's open, will close. Then, if you're further on down the road and the conditions of the outside air, the rain, whatever, is no longer a problem, you hold it down again. And that will cause those windows, that sunroof, to reopen to where they were. Or if you're in the passenger seat and you want to close all the windows in the car and you don't want to reach over to the driver's seat to get that action going. Use this when you want all your windows to close. Use this when you're not able to close the ones in the back in case of a button that's bad. I have a video on that. It shows you exactly how to replace that button down in the description below, and also on a link up to my left. So thanks for watching. Put this in your arsenal of tips and tricks when you're driving a Mercedes. Peace out. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.